Good morning children. Today we have to start our new block, the ninth block inside our body. So in this class we will discuss about the organs inside our body and their functions. The first lesson is about the parts inside our body and the second lesson is about the functions of these organs inside our body. Okay, then shall we start our first lesson? Yes, the first lesson is what is inside my body? What is inside our body? Yeah, there are some parts or organs inside our body, right? These organs are called internal organs. The parts inside our body are known as internal organs. Then what are the parts outside our body? We studied already in previous lessons. Tell me. Yes, they are external organs. External organs are the parts outside our body. Some of the internal organs means the parts inside our body. The organs inside our body are, yes, see the pictures. What is this? Yes, this is brain. This is the picture of brain. Look at the spelling, children. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Where is brain? Yeah, brain is inside our head. Where is brain? Brain is inside our head. Then the next is, yes, very good. This is heart. Where is heart? Heart is in the left side of our chest. Where is heart? Heart is in the left side of our chest. So, spelling, tell me the spelling. H-E-A-R-T. Study the spellings, okay? Study the spellings of all internal organs, okay? Then, which organ is next? You may not know the name of this organ. This is our stomach. Okay, stomach is under that. Means stomach is under the heart. Then these are kidneys. Kidneys are on the both sides near the waist. We have two kidneys. How many kidneys we have? We have two kidneys. They are on the both sides near the waist. Okay. This is our lungs. Lungs helps us to breathe. Okay, lungs helps us to breathe. Understood? Do we all have same parts inside our body? What are you thinking about that? Do we all have same parts inside? Yes, we may look different. We may look different each other, but inside we all are same. Okay. Inside we all are same. Okay. Then how come our organs stay in the same positions inside our body? Why don't they move here and there, bump each other when we walk, jump, bend and twist and turn? The reason is internal organs are protected by bones and muscles. All the internal organs are protected by bones and muscles, and which help these internal organs to stay in their own positions even when we move. Understood? Now we can finish S1. Okay. The first question, look at the book all of you. Then now you open your workbook. We can finish S1. First you have to write today's date on the top. After that, try to read the heading. Okay. What is the heading? Yes. What is inside my body? What is inside my body? Okay. The first question is to draw and label 5 internal parts in our body. Okay. The position of the internal organs inside our body you can understand from this picture. Okay. This picture will help you to understand the position of these organs. Okay. Look at the picture carefully. You can draw and label the pictures very easily. Okay. The second question I will read for you. Carefully listen. Write the names of some body parts and internal organs And what is the difference between them? Write the names of some body parts and internal organs, and at last you have to write the difference between them. Okay. First we have to write the names of some body parts. Body parts we studied already. What is body parts? Are they inside our body? No, they are not inside our body. Then where are they? Yes, they are outside our body. So you can write the names of some body parts there. Okay. Then next you have to write the names of some internal organs. We learned already the names of some internal organs we learned from today's class. Those names you can write here. At last you have to write the difference between the two. Okay. What is the main difference between body parts and internal organs? Think and write, children. Can we see internal organs? What we can see? Yes, very good. You know, right? Think and write, okay? Children, the next lesson is what do the organs do? In this lesson, we will study the functions of some important internal organs in our body. We already learned about some internal organs. And what do they do there? Okay, we will find it out. The role and functions of some important internal organs from this lesson. Which organ is this, children? Yes, this is our brain. This is our brain. Where is brain? Inside our head. Where is brain? Is inside our head. What is the function of brain? Yes, our brain helps us to remember and learn new things. Brain controls all the activities of our body. So brain is very important. What is the function of brain? Brain helps us to remember and learn the things, and it controls the whole body. Then tell me, which organ is this? Lungs. We have two lungs in our body. Lungs helps us to breathe. Lungs helps us to breathe. Lungs are in our chest. Where is lungs? Lungs are in our chest. Lungs helps us to breathe in fresh air and breathe out stale air. Okay. Then this is our stomach. Stomach helps in grinding the food we eat. Our stomach grinds the food we eat. Then which organ is this, children? Have you noticed the shape of this organ? Yes. Tell me, what is its shape? These are our kidneys. The kidneys are looking like peas. Am I right? Kidneys look like peas. How many kidneys we have? We have two kidneys. Kidneys are on the both sides near our waist. Okay. What is the function of kidneys? Kidneys clean our blood. Kidneys clean our blood. Then this is the last organ. It is in the left side of our chest. Tell me the name of this organ, children. What is this? Yes, this is our heart. What is this? This is our heart, and our heart pumps blood and send it to the whole body. Okay. Heart pumps blood and send it to the whole body. Then where is heart? Heart is in the left side of our chest. Then children, I hope you understood everything. Then if you understood, you help me to complete the table. Okay. I'm going to draw one table on the board. Okay, help me to complete. Now you have to say the names of organs and its functions. Okay, this table will help you to study the names of organs and its functions easily. We can write it in small sentences. Okay, you should by heart this. Okay, which organ we will write first? Tell me. Yes, very good. Brain. B-R-A-I-N. Then tell me the function of brain. Yes. What is the role of brain in our body? Brain is to, yes, think and remember. Brain is to think and remember. Then the next organ, yes, lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Lungs. Lungs is to, yes, to breathe. To breathe. Then heart. Very good. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. To, yes, pump blood. B-L-O-O-D. Then the next organ, kidneys. K-I-D-N-E-Y-S. Kidneys. Clean blood. Last. Then which is the last organ? Yes, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. To G-R-I-N-D. Grind food. Stomach is to grind and digest the food we eat. Okay. So you can study this easily, no? Which is the organ that work all the time, children? Yes, almost all the internal organs work all the time. Heart always keeps pumping blood to the whole body. Children, now it's time to complete our workbook. S2. First question is to color the internal organs. The pictures of some internal organs are given there. You should identify these organs. From the pictures you can understand that, and you have to write its functions there. Okay. For completing this first question, I don't think you need someone's help. You can do it yourself. Read the lines below and write the name of the organ. You have to write the name of the organ. The first question, I work all the time and make the sound lub, lub, lub always. Which organ is working all the time? Yes, very good. Then the next question, I help you to think and remember all the things you learn. Yes, that organ is inside our head. Which organ is that? Yes, very good. Write it there. Then the next question, there are two of me. There are two of me. Without me, the air you breathe would go waste. Yes, which organ is helping you to breathe? Write the name of that organ there. Then the next question, I am unique, the only one in your body. I am unique, the only one in your body. I mix the food that you eat. I mix the food that you eat. Which organ is helping you to grind and digest your food? Yes, very good. Write it there. Okay, carefully write. Don't commit mistakes. Study the spellings of these words. Okay. The next question, I clean blood by taking harm things from it. You got already. Before completing the questions, you are answering. Very good. Let me to complete this question. The two of us look like Rajma beans. Which organ? Very good. Write it there. Then the last question. Write the names of two organs that keeps working even when you are sleeping. Yeah, I told you, almost all the internal organs are working even when we are sleeping. So you have to write the name of two there. Okay. So we have completed lessons 1 and 2 from 9th block. What are the works you have to do? You have to write the keywords in your notebook and study the spellings of it. Then don't forget to read the content book 2 times. 2 lessons you have to read 2 times. Okay. Then write practice questions too. 1 to 4. Thank you children. See you in the next class.